character strip. Kids, do you know about a character strip? Let's learn how to make it. Fold the paper strip twice as shown in picture. Draw the half side of a character on it. Cut it according to the shape. Open it and you will find the amusing character strip on it. Some more drawings are given for other tracings. Make different kind of character strips with it. Wow, it's amazing!